Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to query a data range in Microsoft Office Access. So now open your Microsoft Access database and follow these simple steps. Here in this example, I have a customer table that has these fields, the ID field, name of customer, age, and date of birth. Now we are going to query this table uh, with this data range. So we are going to choose a data range that we are going to add in our query so we can filter this table. So now we need to create a query. So we will go to the create tab here and we are going to click on it. And here we will find the query design. So after you click on the query design, it will take you to the creation of the query or the query tab or menu. So now we want a select query. We don't want to delete or update our table. So we want just to select the fields that contains data range. So now we are going to add our table. So here in the add tables field, we are going to click on tables and double click on customer, or you can just click one time and click on add select tables. So let's just double click on it. And here I'm going to double click on the asterisk because that means that it will add all the fields automatically. If you want just to choose some specific fields, for example, let's do it only with the name of customers. So we are going to click name customer and we are going to check the show and we are going to add the date of birth because this is our criteria. Now we are going to choose some data range that we want. Now we are going to see our dates that have here. So we have these dates. Let's just choose, for example, let's choose the fields or records that has data that is greater than 1990. So now we are going back to our uh, query and we are going to add our criteria. So we do greater and we do the number sign and just add like this, and we want anyone that we are going to show the name of the customers that their date of birth is greater than this date. So we are going to click on the query design here and we are going to run our query. uh, we forgot the second number sign and we are going to click on run, and as you can see those three records are the ones that has like a date that is greater than 1990. So this is how we do it, and we can go again to the query design and you can add some fields to show like for example the ID, and you can also show the date itself, and you can add the age if you want and just click on run. And as you can see, this is how you query from the date range. So basically this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.